Namaskaram friends. Before going to the details of Divya Desam number 19, today let me complete the notes first, which I am telling every day for past few days. This note that I am going to talk about is related to yesterday's Divya Desam, Thiru Kannangudi. I would have mentioned about Thirumangai Alvar, where he takes lot of effort to build the walls for Srirangam person, no? The outer wall for the outermost person. He wants to build a big wall, so he takes lot of effort. He needs lot of money. So to enact it, one of the effort he made was he had to loot some jewels. So some says it is the jewels that he was trying to hide in the tamarind tree, and others says it is a idol, Vishnu idol. Himself he wants to hide from the people. So that's why people had lot of doubts on him, and they were not happy about him staying there, as they had some doubts. So that's a small note I want to give. And also the other note is Thiru Kannangudi, even now we can see the water will be salty there, it seems, except for the well present in the temple. The temple water will be very sweet, and villagers used to take water from the temple well even now, it seems. So that's the one of the note I want to give. Let's get into the details of today's Divya Desam. It's 19th Divya Desam. I'm going to talk about the place name is Divya Desam name is Thirunagai. Here the Perumal's name is Soundarya Raja Perumal and Soundarya Valli Tayar. Do you remember we would have talked about Sundara Raja Perumal and Sundara Valli Tayar in Thiru Anbil, which is the 5th Divya Desam. So there also people call him a handsome Perumal, beautiful Perumal, representing the name Sundar Raja Perumal, Sundara Valli. Here also the Soundar Raja Perumal and Soundara Valli Tayar, he represents beauty only, full of beauty. Let's see how Thirumangai Alvar exclaims him. He exclaims, Acho Oruvar Azhagiyava, which means what a beauty. So even now if we get the darshan of Lord Vishnu, we can see him so beautiful. It's not that other Perumals are not beautiful. All the Perumals are so beautiful and handsome. Here the name represents their beauty, and so he has that extra additional beauty on him. So that's what the name represents. So as I said, all the Perumals are beautiful, and all the Perumals so far that we have visited are in the villages. But this Perumal, this temple is located in a town, a city, Pattinam we call in Tamil. So that's why we get the name Nagapattinam. Naga means Adiseshan. So Adiseshan was the one who worshipped the Lord during Krita Yuga. So this seems to be a very oldest temple, because there are 4 yugas where each worshipped Lord Vishnu here. So during Krita Yuga it was Adiseshan, and during Treta Yuga it was Bhumi Devi Thayar who worshipped him, and the Dwapara Yuga it was Markandeya, and Kali Yuga Shalishuga Maharaja who worshipped him. So since for the first Yuga, Krita Yuga, Adisesha is king of snakes, no? Raja means king. So king of Nagam, snake means Nagaraja. So that's how we get the name as Nagapattinam for the city. Nagapattinam means Naga means Adiseshan, Pattinam means city. So Nagapattinam is the place where Soundaraja Perumal is located. I mean, this temple, Soundaraja Perumal temple is located, and this is in this temple only Adiseshan worshipped him. Let's see the history. There was a Maharaja named Durva Maharaja. He worshipped here Lord Vishnu, but he was not able to sing on praise of him. But that means he doesn't have the skill to sing. He doesn't have the wisdom of singing on his own. So Lord Vishnu observes this and he blesses him. He touches him and immediately he gets the wisdom and the ability to sing. And he started singing about Lord Narayana in this temple. And when he, as I said in the other temple which I was talking also, when we see the God and he blesses, we see the unique grace on his face. Even for our elders we can see, when we bow down to our parents, they wishes us with a big glory or grace on their face. No, that's the beauty we can see on the Vishnus also when he blesses the devotees. Aragan, so that's then he becomes Aragan. So Dhruva notices this and he requests Lord Vishnu to grace him, to grace the devotees from this temple permanently with the same beauty on his face. So that's the reason he gets the name Soundarya Perumal, Soundaravalli Thayar. And also, if you notice, in all the temples, Perumal Poovar has the name Raja in his name, like Soundar Raja Perumal, Sundar Raja Perumal, Sauri Raja Perumal we saw. We can see a key, treasure key, no, in their hips. In the idol, we can see key hanging in their hip, which means they are kings. Kings will definitely has to take care of their treasures. Gajana we say. So they will have the keys that we can observe in the idol, Urchavar idol. And also we can see the earring on the ears. They will have the two earrings. Apart from that, we can see one drop kind of earring in their Perumals here. That is another thing we need to notice for the Perumals who has Raja in their names. Here, this temple architecture, the Pushkari name is Shara Pushkarani, Soundarya Vimanam, relating to the Perumal's name also here. So this is in Nagapattinam. That's the details I want to give about the number 19 Divya Desam, Tirunagai. Let's meet tomorrow with 20th of Divya Desam. Thank you all friends. Have a great day. Namaskaram.